Sister, don't sleep with him for 1 million. Your body is worth more than $1 billion. And if he claims to love you, yet while you were dying at hospital bed, he refused to support you with just 500k for treatment, and he is a billionaire. Sister, when you recover, don't go back to him. Ladies, listen. Don't sleep with a man for money. A man cannot settle with public property. I know the economy is hard. I know he's offering you money, but don't allow any man whatsoever to sleep with you or see your nakedness, which is not your husband. Only your husband deserves you, because what you give cheaply, they will treat you cheaply. If you sell your body for 1 million, tomorrow he will tell his friend, I bought her for 1 million. But your body is worth more than $1 billion, and your dignity is priceless. Ladies, no man wants to marry a lady who disrespected him when he was broke and became nice to him when he bought a Lamborghini and built a mansion. Let me tell you the truth about men. Men never forget how you treat them at their rock bottom. If you insulted him when he had nothing, called him a failure, left him when he was broke, sister, when he makes money, he will give queen treatments to the woman who stood with him at his rock bottom. So, if you are with a man at his rock bottom now and has a vision, stand with him. But, and this is the controversial part, if he claims to love you and didn't come through for you when you needed him most, he's not serious about you, so don't take him serious. You deserve someone who values you. Sister, listen. If he does not support you and yet claims to love you, don't take him serious. A man who loves you would prove it by his support. Love without support is just lies. Let me give you an example. If he claims to love you, yet when you were in hospital bed, he refused to support you with 500k for treatments. Meanwhile, he is a billionaire. When you recover, don't go back to him. Don't go back to him. He does not value you. If he can watch you die over money he has, he does not love you. Some of you are crying in hospital, begging a man who is posting on Instagram with his friends, wake up, wake up. And finally, sister, if he makes you feel guilty for asking for necessary things that he can provide, the truth is, he does not love you. A man who loves you wants to provide. He feels proud when he can solve your problems. Yes. But a man who does not love you would make you feel like a beggar for what is necessary. He will say, you are always asking. You are a gold digger. No, he is just a stingy man who doesn't value you. If he can provide but makes you feel guilty for asking, sister, he does not love you. So, today, know your worth. Don't sleep with men for money. Stand with a good man at his rock bottom. But never stay with a man who watches you drown when he has the boat to save you. If this message healed you or opened your eyes, do 3 things. Now, 1. Type I deserve better in the comment section. 2. Share this with a sister crying in a relationship right now. Save her life. Subscribe to this channel because tomorrow I'm going to reveal to you 5 signs he won't marry you no matter how long you wait. You must not miss it. God bless you. You are more worth than $1 billion.